As you can see, we are starting with the lab creating a virtual machine. So simply log into your account. Now open your Cloud Shell. As you can see, we are already logged in. Open your Cloud Shell. Copy this first command. Basically, the main motive of running all these three commands in the setups and requirements is that it basically sets your region and zone. You can see that region is always mentioned as US Central 1, US East 1, US East 4 and all, and the zone is always mentioned in ABCDEF part. Okay, like it is basically specified into that structure. And as you can see, we are going to set a zone. So after running this command, click on authorize. Once you click on authorize, copy this command setting your region. It would set your region, it's East 1, and then zone, it's East 1D. So yeah, we are now done with that. Now open your VM instance. Like it's mentioned in the first task, open your VM instance, virtual machine. You have to create an instance over there named as GCE lab. So copy this, open VM open wait open VM instances, create an instance. I have pasted my name, the new name that is mentioned over here. For the region, you can see US East 1 and US East 1D. If the region is not, if the region is different over here and it's like different over here, then as per this region, you have to change this region. As you can just drop down it and you will check like many of the regions mentioned over here. Okay, it was East 1 and East 1D for me. So now we are checking the machine type we are using. It's E2 machine with medium to vCPU. It's the normal like we use at maximum time. E2 and vCPU, 2 vCPU. Okay, done with that. Now we are going to check the boot disk. Boot disk is 10 GB, Debian Bullseye and Linux 11. Let's check whether it's the same. Yeah, it's the same 10 GB. Okay, now for the firewall you have to allow all the HTTP traffics that are coming. Okay, so now create it. It would hardly take 1 minute to like complete like creation, so till then wait, have patience. So after creation, what you have to do, you have to simply open the SSH, and over there we are going to run our nginx commands, like the web server we are going to use. So basically we are going to update it first, the SSH key, and after that let's see, click on refresh. So as you can see, our instance is created. We are now directing towards the SSH. It would take 15 to 20 seconds, so please be patient for that. Authorize it, copy your first command, put it in your SSH. As you can see, your SSH is done. Copy this, updation is done. Install the nginx. Nginx is continuing, and confirm. And now you have to check whether the root cause for the nginx is running or not. You have to see like whether it's executing or not. So for that we are going to paste this command. So yeah, you can see it's showing that worker in process. Okay, nginx is in process. So now it's showing like you can check whether the external IP present in your cloud like console, or you can use that HTTP term and over here you have to paste your external IP. We can do both, but simply as for ease, what we are going to do, as you can see there's a arrow mark, tap on that and you are now like it's visible for you to see the welcome to nginx. This was our task to create a WebP showing the nginx server. Okay, we are done with that. Now copying this command, and what's here, it's mentioned create a new instance with gcloud. Okay, we are now going to create a new instance, pasting it over here. As you can see, name GC Lab 2 East 1D E2 medium, everything mentioned, external IP and the internal IP also, and you can also see whether it's working or not. It's in the running phase, so check whether it's completed or not. Is this mentioned like the instance mentioned over here, the machine type Debian Bullseye and E2 medium and all. Copy this, paste over here, and for this press Ctrl plus C. Once tapping the Ctrl plus C, you would simply exit from it, and after that copy this command. Basically what's defined is that if it basically connect your SSH to via a gcloud like mentioned over here. So like I pasted but it's some error, so going to paste it again. So yeah, it's asking for Y, press Y and then continue, and now it's like mentioned for empty for no paraphrase. So what you have to do, tap return or tap enter 2 times, and now you are done with that. Come to this part, and what else you have to do, once you are done with this, type exit, and once you type exit you are disconnected with the SSH. So you are done with the lab, as we got score of 100 by 100. We are done with the lab. Thank you guys for being in this video, and if any doubts occur you can reach me out.